recording on. And let me unmute the member, that is Mohan Sai Prasad. Mohan, can you unmute, please?
Yeah, okay, bye. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
Are you listening my voice?
yeah, your voice is audible. Everything is fine. So, how are you, Mohan?
Yeah, bro, I am good, bro.
Right, okay.
This is the first meeting forever.
Yeah, this is the first meeting, and I think first clipping also, right? For
Yeah,
you?
yeah, first flipping. No, it's it's my third flipping,
Okay,
but the biggest flipping.
the biggest clipping, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. And a lot
Okay,
of,
the first of all,
yeah,
I
please.
want to introduce myself.
Yeah,
Hello, everyone. My name is Mohan. I am from AP. I started my blogging journey from
yeah, your voice is,
2017. Okay, are you listening my voice?
yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Okay, I started that website is 2019 August. Mm, it is Techniche. Hello.
Yeah, please.
Yeah,
Okay, so it is Tech Niche, and you have
yeah,
started 2019 August,
yeah.
around that, right?
Yes, bro.
So let me tell you some important thing around this, that time, how much money you have made from that particular website, Mohan?
Uh, I made nearly $27,000 in 1 year.
Okay, I think in 2020 from January to December, I think you have made 12,780, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
It's
and
from
you have been,
AdSense.
yeah,
Actually, that website I can earn from multiple ways like sponsor post and next VPN affiliate and AdSense also.
okay, so it is, I think it is only for AdSense 12,780, and from VPN affiliates are also there. Sponsor
Yeah,
posts are also there. So around, I think 15,000, right?
yeah. Sponsor post nearly I earned $5,000.
Oh, that's nice. And VPN around
VPN around 1800 USD.
1,800, right?
Yeah, in
Okay,
6 months. Actually, VPN started 6 months before June.
okay. So $1,800 for VPN, and for sponsor port, that $5,000, right?
Yeah,
So
actually,
you
that
have,
sponsor posts I
yeah,
sold out very few, nearly 18 sponsor posts.
okay. Limited,
So
right?
that's
Limited number of
why
sponsor port you were doing.
no. Actually, the total posts of website 170. I
Mhm.
sold uh, I sold 18 sponsor posts.
Okay.
That's why Google penalized my site also in the last days.
Okay,
That is
okay.
the big story.
So you got a manual penalty for sponsored post. Can you
Yeah,
tell
reselling
me
links,
about the?
reselling links.
Yeah, okay.
Google penalized and I removed that all
Is that
sponsor post links.
penalized, or you have got the manual action only, or warning? What is that?
Manual action, warning.
Okay, not penalization, not deranking, something like that.
No, it's already deranked, bro. After penalize, after a
So
warning.
means you got that penalty, right? Means
Yeah,
deranking and
got
everything. Okay,
penalty and
okay.
I removed sponsor
When you
links
got that?
and
Which month?
bro, after sponsor posts, all links removed.
Okay,
Then the site will be back again.
okay.
The penalization also removed, but it's showing in Google Search Console manual actions.
Okay. No issue.
Uh, After
So
that penalization, also we sold that site $16,500.
yeah, that is very
Then,
interesting, and I'm going to share all everything, how we have closed the deals, what are the things, what are the
yeah,
situations,
yeah,
everything I'm going to share. But I think you have made around 19 or 20K around from this website alone, right?
yeah.
Okay, and
Near,
then from this is from earning, and from by selling you have sold for $16,500. It means
yeah,
total around 36,000 around you have made from one website, right?
yes, bro. In
36K, amazing,
yeah,
amazing. That's amazing. And we have just, I mean, I thought that was 26K, but it is around 36K. It's a really very awesome amount, Mohan.
yeah. Actually, we not mentioned sponsor posts and some things in that post.
Definitely.
Mm.
Okay. So let me from from where you have understood all types of keyword research and how you did such type of things. Please explain your journey about that. Means when you have started your journey, what are the things that has helped you so much?
Yeah, okay. First of all, I am Abhilash by a Nano Niche one batch one member. I am actually I am learning keyword researching totally from Abhilash brother videos. And also I started my blogging career 2017, but this is the biggest success in my life total. I started this blog in 2019 August, and I'm continuously writing articles. Uh, Actually, weekly 2 to 3 articles I'm publishing, and also same time. It's morning 8 a.m. My time
Oh,
is.
okay, means velocity. You have performed that velocity, right?
Yeah.
In article publishing velocity, that you have performed very well throughout the journey, right?
Yes, bro.
Okay, that is
Actually,
very important point. Trust me, Mohan, this is very important point. That velocity, if you are keeping, if you are just publishing
Google
in a
also
week also
crawling
two
every
or
day.
three, that is okay. But you are keeping the velocity of publishing the articles. That is very amazing. And then, brother,
Yeah, bro. Next is I am publishing weekly 2 to 3 articles.
means you have hired the writers. How much you are paying to them?
Yeah, okay. I am paying 25 paisa per word for
Okay,
my
okay,
writers.
okay. Not
Actually,
per
that
month you are paying, right? It means per word
not per
only.
month, only
Okay,
per
okay.
word count.
25
And
paisa.
also,
That's very, very nice.
yeah, actually, that girls are BTech studying. I
You got
trained.
it. You got all the
Yeah,
points, man.
yeah, I trained. That's why I got that cheap price. Actually,
Okay.
outside pricing is 1 rupee, 2 rupees also per
Yes,
word
yes, yes,
quality
yes,
content.
yes. Yeah.
So I started writing content on that website and keep going. After 3 months, I started backlinks.
Just
Backlinks
I
in
will
the
pause,
sense,
Mohan. I will pause here.
hmm,
Friends, let me tell you one thing. You have to figure out your problems. We know that article writers are really tough. To get a real good article writer, it is really tough, and we have to pay so much of money. But to maintain any website, we have to publish the content. Content authority system always works. Always works. Okay. So in my old batches also the simple formula, reach
yeah,
out to the people, reach out to the english to some writers or college students or interns people, reach out to them, train them how to do the things, educate them, and they will do the work for you in very less price, and that will be your long term, to achieve the goal for long term, you will have to figure out the things. Okay, and he has done the things amazing. Yeah, please continue on.
yeah. Actually, after 3 months, I started backlinks. I
After
done,
3 months, right?
yeah,
Just
after 3 months.
started publishing, and then after 3 months, you have started backlinking. And for the backlinking, please explain. Have you hired anyone?
No, 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 no. Actually, I done backlinks manually every site. Not
Okay,
only
so
this site, I done
from
only
which type
manually.
of backlink? Please explain here everything. From which
Yeah,
type
okay.
of backlinks you have started? What velocity? Everything else.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I am started backlinks. First of all profile links I done nearly 100 profiles and
Great.
indexed only 30 profiles
Okay.
in that 100 profiles. And next is the competitor backlinks. Mainly, I did.
Awesome.
I'm not
Awesome.
done any spammy comment links or
Awesome. Yeah.
spammy forum links.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I purchased some sponsor posts also.
Mhm.
The relevant rankings.
It's
That
high
means,
traffic and relevant, right?
yeah, high traffic and
Okay,
relevant.
high
Who
traffic and
is
relevant
ranking?
website. You have purchased from that, right?
Yeah, actually, who is ranking second page, third page, that
Okay, you
keywords.
have contacted them.
Yeah, I'm contacted and they
Great,
given.
man. Great.
Why? Because that actually that fellow's not focus on that keyword.
Yeah.
So they given backlinks easily. The backlinks
For the
cost
sake
is
of
near
money. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
each backlink cost is nearly $150 to $100.
Amazing, amazing.
Um,
So, how much backlinks means in 1 month or in 1 week or what
no,
means
no,
to purchase
not
that backlinks?
monthly.
Yeah.
Not monthly or weekly. I do backlinks. I did backlinks only when the keyword in up to 20 position. I,
Okay, okay,
and before that, I am not done any backlinks for that URL.
okay. Great. So just after
ac-
publishing all the contents and then keywords started ranking, right?
yeah, actually,
Okay.
actually I am wait for that keyword pushing to Google.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why I am waited and I started backlinks. That keywords is grow. Actually, I don't know that the site will be rank or not. I'm
Okay.
not thinking anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just do my work. So
Yeah.
that site will be ranking February starting.
Okay.
I am getting some earnings in February month, nearly $20 to $30.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it's actually I lost that hopes after 7 months. Actually, I
Okay.
did 7 months work on that side, but no
Mhm.
result. Still,
Okay.
I'm publishing articles.
Right.
After 7 months, the site will be making start making money.
And then you have realized something that you need to push hard.
Yeah. Then I'm taking sponsor posts, and some people are contacting for sponsor posts.
Okay.
Actually, I got sponsor posts also.
From which resource? From which? Just by contacting your means who are ranking behind, you are contacting them for the links,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yes,
Okay.
bro.
And how much money invested all around for the backlinks? Means how much total you have taken?
Total investment for backlinks is nearly 30,000 rupees.
30,000 rupees. Great.
Yeah,
Okay. And for article, I think per month around how much you were spending?
the total articles cost is in my website nearly 60 to 70,000 rupees
Okay. In 60 to
for I
70,000
paid
complete article. How much total article in
complete
your website?
total 175 articles.
175 articles. Amazing.
Yeah,
Amazing. Amazing.
it's not only tech articles. I mixed all articles actually.
Yeah.
Amazon
Yeah. Yeah.
articles and AdSense relevant articles.
Yeah.
Actually, I find low competition keywords
Yeah,
and
and
publishing in that site. That's the
it's
main thing.
very
I
interesting, Mohan. That
yeah,
you
it's clumsy,
have
clumsy.
no, you have done amazing work because you know why you have targeted all the keywords which is said in batch one.
That my luck is also all keywords are ranked.
I have checked your website and I was amazed that whatsoever things have been we have been discussed in batch one, you have
Yeah,
very smartly targeted all such keywords.
yeah. Actually, I saw your batch one videos and I focus on that keyword researching mainly.
No, no, amazing, amazing. I have
In the
seen that
total
work, and
in
trust
the
me.
total blogging is main thing only on keyword research.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
I
yeah.
take time for keyword research nearly 2 to 3 weeks. Only keyword research I will take time. Other than backlinks or
Yes, yes.
other
Yes.
things,
Okay, okay.
and also on page optimization also very important,
Yeah,
and interlinking you told me already.
yeah.
That's the thing.
Okay,
So
so you
automatically the earnings are growing up March, May, June, July, every month going nearly $1,000. Actually, $1,000 is my target in my lifetime target, monthly $1,000. But
okay, okay,
but I
okay.
saw nearly $2,500 in a month.
Amazing, man.
Yeah,
$2,500 in a month. Very
in
nice.
single site in single site.
Yeah,
That is
with a
the
single site with
amazing.
175 article.
Yeah,
Amazing.
daily page views also 9,000.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And let me tell you
The
one thing
actually
here.
mainly I'm focusing on USA and UK countries.
Yes, 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 yes. So you have
That's why
targeted
CP is
such
also
type of
huge.
keywords, all
Yeah,
informative
yeah,
types of keywords. And when we see such type of keywords in any keyword research tool, we can see that it's 500 search volume, it's only 600 search volume. But in
yeah.
reality, how much search volume
In
you were
reality,
getting?
I'm getting daily 1,000 to 2,000 page views.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
showing in Google
Yes.
500 volume.
Let
In
me pause here. So
actually
this is the
main thing,
biggest.
the main game is trends, Google trends.
Yeah, so the main myth we people are losing here, we are just behind the tools, what they are showing, and we are behind the tools. When we understand the actual keyword research, what people are searching for, even for simple informative uh, keywords, we can get a lot of traffic, lot of traffic. This Mohan has done the same thing. He has he has just focused on particular stuff, particular topic, and he has found all types of relevant types of questions, relevant type of related questions, related keywords around that topic, and he has perfectly built that website on topical authority on every important stuff. So keyword research is the game changer, and you have to change the way of keyword research. You have to think
Yeah, yeah,
something out of box, something out of
yeah.
box. Then only you can do something well with less number of backlinks. If you really want to move your website in some top level, right?
Act- Actually, bro, the total RD is 300 only for that site.
Yes, 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 yes. I have
Backlinks
seen.
is I'm not focused. I'm focused on keyword research and on-page optimization.
Yes, yes, I have seen that. I have
And
seen.
also Pinterest, Facebook page, Twitter. Also, I'm focusing. Means after publish every article, I pin in
Yeah,
Pinterest
do the
and publish in
sharing.
the FB and Twitter pages also.
Okay.
I
And
am not taken any social signals or paid backlinks,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
etc,
No
etc.
sort of any hi-fi PBNs, right? No any
No,
sort
no,
of
no, zero
no any
PBNs,
sort of
zero
like
PBNs.
tired linking, tired and tired and
No,
tired. Nothing like
no,
that.
no,
Nothing,
no
right?
tile linking, no,
Okay, amazing, amazing.
nothing.
Trust me,
Oh,
when you more focus on such type of building on your base, building on your concept, you will not lose your website ever. But when you start doing the stuff, means not targeting the perfect keyword in start, and then focusing on making backlinks, you will lose your website one day because of Google penalties. There are a lot of different type of penalties nowadays. There are a lot of things happening.
actually,
Okay,
I
so
faced
I will
that
always
backlinks.
suggest, yeah, do better keyword research if you want to save your website ever for long term.
So backlinks is important, but
It
not
is very
for,
important. It is very
but
important, but it is very important. But actually, what we some people are doing to rank any keyword, we just start
yeah,
doing
actually they will do
backlinking.
spammy backlinks or
Yeah,
spammy
spammy
comments like
backlinks, forums,
etc.
spamming the website which is penalized by Google. We start taking just dead backlinks, right? Where no
Yeah,
crawler is coming, where no
yeah,
crawler is coming, where we are not getting any benefit,
yes, yes. That's
right?
why that site is drop in Google updates for
Yeah.
backlinks with main
So
reason.
after Google updates, the thing here
Oh
is
yeah, after
after
Google
Google
updates.
updates, please share your story.
Yeah, after Google update, actually December 4, actually 2020 total year is excellent year for me. In total world, feeling like sad due to Corona, but 2020 is for me is excellent year. I am feeling good everything. After December 4th, I started my sad journey because
Okay.
December 4th is Google update site will be down 9,000 page views to 5,000 page views. Earning also down. So I started sell this website because of I know
Yeah.
in after January, March, April,
Links
the site
ads
will be
are also
going down.
retiring. That is the biggest news you have
Yeah, yeah.
received, right?
I am losing backlinks also.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
No, no. Okay, Google AdSense link ads, right?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Google AdSense link ads also. Actually, my 70% revenue based on link ads.
Yes, definitely. And
After,
you knew this that after March, if it retires, you cannot get. I think you cannot get some good money, right? What
yeah,
you are
yeah.
getting right now, right?
Actually, so many buyers asked also about link ads in that sale.
Okay.
Luckily, we got without asking anything that buyer.
Yeah, yeah. So let me tell the story of Flipper right
Yeah.
now.
Okay, okay.
First of all, we have sold this website to one buyer, and yeah, let me share this also, Mohan. Trust me,
Okay.
this Mohan is filled with all the negative thoughts only. Okay, all the negative.
Yes, exactly. Actually,
Every
this is the
time he
first
was
time.
messaging, every
That's
time he
why.
was messaging me, Abhilash bhai, buyer will pay the money or not? Will we, is the money, uh, it will reach to us or not? Only negative thoughts. Okay. So from that day only, I have told to Mohan that let me do the work, let me do my all the work, and be
But
yourself positive,
yeah,
100% positive. In my
bro,
career,
after
in my
this sale,
feeling, what I have seen. Yeah, let me
after
tell Mohan.
a- after this sale, I started thinking positively.
Yeah, you
Okay,
have understood so
actually,
many things.
I told my Flippa journey also.
Yeah.
After December 4th update, I think to I- actually I started. Sorry, wait 1 minute. After December 4th update, I started this website to sell. I contacted Ablash bro in January month. He told me due to holidays, we listed this website on January 18th or 19th. Finally, we listed website in Flippa, and so many people asked analytics, and but no one will buy. After Ablash bro, actually one person came to buy $16,000. We are happy in that day.
Mohan, please tell, one person purchased this website. One person has purchased this website, but as I have told you, don't keep any negative thoughts, and we have lost that
Yeah.
Flippa listing. Means that buyer has came and then he just told that he will not take the website. It was sold for $16,000. It was
Extra
sold before.
$500 after
The
second
first
sale.
time it was sold for $16,000, but later on that buyer has not replied, and I have opened the dispute in the Flippa, and later on again my website got listed with premium listing. I managed that. Okay,
Yeah.
within 24 hours. I just thought in my mind that within 24 hours I will sell this website, and Mohan is here. He will
I'm shocked.
he has seen all the things. I kept on messaging my all the buyers. I kept on describing everything. Whole I was in the journey, but still I was keep messaging day and night to convince the buyers. Okay,
That
and
20
within
days is
24 hours.
literally, that 20 days is literally I feeling like alone. Means I cannot share with anyone this journey, like this sale, about this sale, because of it's not sold. And listed also Flippa. That's why I never told anyone about this. After sale, I told in on platforms. Okay. Um, Actually, the buyer asked, the first buyer, nothing asked anything to me, analytics and like search console, anything. He directly purchased that website for 16,000 USD. Then he will not reply 2 to 3 days. Uh, then again, I contacted Abhilash bro. He said, wait for a few days, bro. The buyer also will be think that amount is huge amount. So he will arrange it. So we will give to 2 to 3 days time. And then after 2 to 3 days also buyer not replying anything. So buyer told to me, the site is traffic down again and every day, like day by day. And he don't want that site. That day I am literally feeling very emotionally, because actually that site we listed in Flippa. So many people saw that website and started to write that keywords also. That's why I am really emotional, because if that site not sold, the definitely I lost more money. After that first buyer, then we listed again. No, Abhilash bro is told to me, don't worry bro, so many buyers are there in the world, so don't take emotionally, we list again that website, no problem. Then Abhilash bro next day listed this website again, and within 24 hours this website sold for $16,500. We got extra $500 in second time. So feeling literally crazy. Why? Because the first sale I got only $16,000. In second sale I got extra $500. After 2 to 3 days, the buyer started transferred money also able to
No,
escrow.
tell the domain stuff. Domain stuff. The
Yeah,
domain
yeah.
was in Big Rock. This is
The
the biggest
domain,
issue. Never
the
ever keep your
domain.
domain in Big Rock if you are having any international buyers, because they will not
Actually, I am
take Big
thinking
Rock
this
transfer.
process. Actually, I am thinking this process close as soon as possible, because the traffic is down day by day. Like today 3,000 and tomorrow 2,500, like that. So the buyer is definitely cancel if traffic will be down.
Buyer
So
has clearly told that in till the complete journey, if traffic goes down, he will move back. So this has threatened the Mohan. But
mm,
Mohan, have you ever seen me means any down moment, anything else?
yeah. Actually, that website is downfall started, and also the first domain transfer is the point. It's in Big Rock. So we merge to GoDaddy. It's take nearly 7 days time. Again, we are waiting for 7 days.
And
It
traffic going down and down,
traffic
right?
going down. I am thinking about that site, what happening, what is going on. After 7 days, I contacted Abhilash bro. He said install Link Whisper plugin, uh, and he told
Yeah,
analyze
let me
total
explain this
website.
more. Let me explain this. Just please wait for 1 minute. Okay, let me explain this.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
okay.
this was the game changer. Okay, this was the game changer, and trust me, this strategy has only helped us to sell this website. Otherwise, it would again not sold. What is that strategy? Okay, let me show you. The strategy was, suppose this is any website, okay, any page is ranking, we have to figure it out which page is getting higher ranking in Google Analytics, what are the impressions, what are the keywords. So from here, suppose any page is there, so that page is ranking, you will have to figure out in Google Analytics, put that page here, okay, put that page here, content, exact URL, apply. You will see all their LSI keywords, all the related keywords, everything. This is the actual keywords which Google really want you to cover in your website in any way, in interlinking or publish or update the content. That's it. Okay. So I told to Mohan, find out all the top URLs, find out all the top URLs, who is getting the traffic. In this website, we have to do the massive interlinking process. And in that website, many things were not done. Okay, some more stuff were there. So only this is the thing which I have explained to Mohan. He continuously, from 2 days, he continuously started building all the interlinkings, all created supporting pages, different related keyword, different pages, and started interlinking. Okay, complete website has done. And then now tell Mohan what was the result.
After interlinking 2 days, it's take 2 days time for me. After 2 days, that main keyword, which keyword I'm getting more traffic, that keyword again push back to first position. So traffic is normal. That is the game changer of the total Flippa journey. That
Yeah.
2 days is very important, and Abhilash bro is very helped me for that interlinking thought. I don't know that interlinking thought, and I don't know about that Link Whisper plugin also. He given me Link Whisper premium plugin, and I started interlinking the 2 days. Again, that site goes up. The buyer is happy, and sale is also end after January.
Inspection time. Now it comes to
Yeah,
inspection
yeah.
time. Again, he
Sorry.
took
I forgot.
seven more days, right?
Yeah,
After
inspection time
spending
also
20
start.
to 25 days of time, again that 7 days period of time he has taken. In that particular time, what actually happens? He will monitor
Actually,
every single thing.
that
And if
7 days also
anything
very
goes wrong,
crucial part in sale.
yeah,
Why? Because if buyer not satisfied, they can easily rejected that website.
easily.
Actually, we transferred all assets like domain, and also domain also the, not written because GoDaddy as per rules.
Yeah. 60-day
Once we
log.
transfer 60 days policy,
So much
that's it.
tension.
So much tension we are faced. I am faced mainly. Abhilash Brai is cool and peace. I am so many negative thoughts. It's work or not, it's sell or not.
So
I am
much,
thinking,
you are so much,
thinking
man. You are
24
so
by
much
7.
doubt. How much doubt you are having in your mind? Oh my God, I will convince to buyer or I will convince to you. I was just thinking.
Yeah, yeah, actually, that is the thing. The inspection time every day is, I am thinking what happened tomorrow, what happened, what is tomorrow traffic. Actually, my website traffic is Saturday, Sunday, Monday is up. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday down again. That is the US main basic traffic. Weekend traffic is huge.
Yeah,
Other
that's
days traffic
natural
is
thing. That
down.
was natural thing.
Mm. So the inspection period completed Monday luckily. So buyers saw graph high because
And buyer
Saturday,
was very
Sunday, Monday.
happy. His earning increased, his traffic
Yeah,
increased, and he
yeah.
has given me very good feedback. Everything
Bro,
completed. And
actually
Mohan, please
we
tell
forgot
about
about
AdSense.
AdSense. Yeah,
How
we
you have
forgot that.
transferred that? What has happened in that process?
Af- The actually before inspection period, we transferred all assets. After that, buyer said he need AdSense approval. Actually, I want to give my AdSense account also, but he is from Israel, so he don't need Indian AdSense. He told to me, uh, if AdSense not allowed this website, we don't need website,
Always
cancel
he
that
will.
deal.
He
Again,
was telling
cancel
he
that
don't
deal.
need that website.
You don't need that website. Again, I am emotional second time that day. I don't know what happening, what is going on after 20 days. After 20 days, we are waited and process is going on. AdSense created again issue. So next day morning, buyer said two advertisers approved that website like Enjoy Cats and Adsterra and etc. He is using that ads. Enjoy is approved. So again,
He got
buyer,
reapproval. Mohan, he
yeah,
got approval of his AdSense
I
without
don't know. I
removing
don't
your
know.
codes. Means
Maybe,
your
maybe.
AdSense, yeah, it was also in your account, and then also he has got approval, right?
Yeah.
So this is here to note the things. Mohan has not removed the AdSense from his account, but even that,
I am
even
not
though,
removed still. I am not removed still.
okay, amazing. So even though he has got approval, and this is
Mm.
the reason I have told to buyer that we are not going to remove this AdSense, because no one knows if you reject, then it will be again a big issue. But he has told that no problem. I'm going to try in with one shot. He
Yeah.
got AdSense approved in his account, and then everything he got many other advertisers also. Everything goes smooth and smooth. So this was the
And
very important thing in AdSense.
his revenue
Whenever,
also
yeah,
good. He told his revenue also good.
yeah, his revenue also increased so much after Mohan's interlinking process, after his optimization.
Buyer happy, we are happy. Escrow transferred after 24 hours to Abhilash
Everything
Pro.
done.
Finally, amount credited yesterday. He started to
Good.
transferring to me today. This is
So
the total
what,
journey of
what you
one
will guide,
website.
what you will tell to anyone, any person that in 1 year,
Okay.
can anyone make like this of website making
Yeah, surely.
20,000, $30,000?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. To
What are the
everyone,
important things? Please tell.
yeah, the important thing is
I know you have
mainly,
shared the things, but please tell what are the important things, what they should not do.
yeah, okay. Okay. The first of all, main important thing is keyword. What keyword we selected to write, and also don't leave if keyword volume 300 or 200. Once look on Google Trends, it's totally going up. Then you start writing about that keyword. Nearly 800 to 1000 words content, and also use image, every image alt text also.
Okay.
Then start backlinks uh, only for pushing website, not for spammy backlinks or etc. Don't do that kind of backlinks. Only build good quality RD backlinks only,
Okay.
and check spam score also for every backlink. Don't
Okay.
do more spammy backlinks also
It's
for
it's
any
it's
website.
it's we have to check the spam score, or we have to check directly the website how it is.
Yeah, it's actually most bar.
No, no, we
Insta,
have to look the spam score, or we have to look by opening that URL, by opening that website, how actually the website is. What we have to do.
okay. Actually, if you open that website, look on the comments. If you are doing comment backlink, select only 20 to 30 comments. If
Low
20
OBM,
to,
right?
yeah, low bail.
Which
Uh,
relevant? Okay.
yeah, compulsory relevant backlink, and also use footprints, forum footprints also available in our group. Footprints also you
Okay.
can use, and
Mhm.
build only relevant backlinks.
Okay.
Don't build like other spammy backlinks like comments, directories. Directories not work these days, I know, but
Yeah.
so many people still building directories also.
Google has
That's why,
penalized so many websites, so many direct submissions websites, and so many stuff which we really don't know what are the things. So we have to be very careful in making the links.
yeah, links is very important, but links not for everything. Only links important, and keywords
You are
important.
making two
Keywords is the
thousand
main.
dollar per month. I know that link is not
Links
with
important,
less
but
backlinks and power of keyword research,
yeah,
power
yeah,
of content, power of topical relevancy, power of interlinking. Amazing,
yeah.
amazing, bro.
Actually, before Abhilash Ranjan, Nano Batch 1, actually I am Batch 1 member. Before Nano Batch 1 started, I only think backlinks is the main part. I only think and build that backlinks previous website, not for this previous website. I build only backlinks, not about search for keywords or content, not anything. I build only backlinks and I rank. After Google updates, easily after 2 to 3 months, it will be like downfall again. So I
Yes,
am
yes.
not due for this website because of Ablash Bro Nano Batch 1 videos. I deeply research only keywords.
So
It
you
will be
have done
take me
very, very amazing work because Mohan, I know you have understood that
and
concept. I have seen the
yeah,
website. You have really
yeah.
performed well, and you have really taken the action. That is the most important thing. You have really taken the action from day one.
Yes. That is the main thing. Keyword research. Actually, so many keywords are there in the Google. Not only Abhilash Boro told some keywords in videos. That
Yeah,
is,
yeah, no, I'm
please
not telling
don't do
that.
that.
I'm not telling that.
No,
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 no.
no, no, no.
Yeah.
Not that keywords. I'm saying. Actually, you told for example keywords in your videos.
Yes, 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 yes,
People started on that keywords.
yes, yes. That is the
I am
biggest.
not. Actually, I am not done this way.
Yeah, you
I
have
I,
taken the
I do
concept.
I do my own research.
Yeah.
I do my own research and I found good websites and I follow that website keywords also, and I take multiple niches. It's tech niche, it's tech domain, but
Yes.
I am written multiple articles like multiple niches, not for only tech, like food related articles, Amazon affiliate articles, tech articles, etc. I am written all type of articles in that website. Buyer
Yeah.
also think actually buyer also think this is what is this stuff. Amazon affiliate, I am earning from Amazon affiliate also, like you Amazon.com.
Yes, 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 yes.
That is a total Flippa journey and my website journey, and this is the happened in 1 year. And January month also I got $1,300 and I received payment today for sold website. And
Yeah.
next month also I am taking $400.
Amazing, amazing, bro.
After
Keep
after
going.
after Flipboard this month, I am taking only 7 days earning $400
Amazing.
in February month.
So now let's open the chat section and
Yeah,
let people ask the questions.
sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, guys, chat is open. Ask your doubts. He will be happy. How have you understood the? Have you got some? Yeah, it was fresh domain. It was fresh domain.
Yeah, fresh domain, bro.
Ask your questions. No, no, no. Niche. See, niche is tech only related to that only. It's not. It's not
It
like different types of
actually,
niche. It
bro,
comes under that only. Some different
Abjit,
types of topics are there.
Abjit, bro, I am written niche articles, not only tech niche.
Yeah.
The domain
Hemant
is tech
bhai,
domain, but I am written all type of content.
Hemant, what type of backlinks? So, Mohan.
Site age Roshan Tiwari, bro. Site age is 1 year, 6 months.
And Hemant is asking what type of backlink you created. So I think he has answered that.
I am yeah, actually I am answered creating only profiles and related forums. Total
Ravinder
number of
Singh,
posts only 175.
Ravinder Singh escrow account opened and operated. So it is connected. It is connected with the account. So
Your
nothing we
Flippa
have to do
account,
with the escrow
no
stuff.
problem.
Yeah, no problem.
How
Total
much
number of
volume
article
focus keywords?
175. Yes.
Vibe, bro. Volume is only in showing in Google 3000 volume for some keywords and
I
500
thought only
volume on some keywords.
300.
CPC also huge, bro. CPC is $5 per every keyword. Any
Country
guest
is
post.
English. It's tier one. Aman bhai.
Guest post Bikash Agarwal. I am taken only three sponsor posts.
सुमित भाई
But
आपकी साइड भी
the
सेम
three
एज की थी
sites is
लेकिन
very
आपने वो
huge.
काम नहीं किया ना.
Bro, I'm telling is that I am taken link from Deccan Chronicle. It cost nearly 20,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Do follow link. That's why sponsor post I am it's 30,000 nearly.
What Abhijit is asking, how you did interlinking. I have just showed you, Abhijit, brother, that process of interlinking.
Yeah, use Link Whisper premium plugin, bro.
Yeah.
What is the cost for backlink? Can you repeat? I am taken backlink from Deccan Chronicle news website. It's Google News approved and biggest website. It's nearly 20,000 rupees. One backlink. I am taken for home base.
Okay.
Ask your questions. Any questions?
Yes, ask your doubt.
After Google update, did you remove all? No, I am removed only sponsor post. What I sold.
Thanks, Devish brother.
Thank you, Devesh Jetwani. How to train?
You have to understand that complete scenario of writing the content. How to, then only you can tell to you can train to any other person.
Bro, Vipul, bro, it's not custom
No,
homepage.
no, it
It's
was
blog
not
roll.
custom. Yeah, it was blog roll. Where did do you buy sponsored post? Hemant bhai, he has just answered that. Can you repeat? Remember by it's blog roll, blog roll. Mohan, you there? Okay, okay. You are muted. Okay, just a minute. Wait. Give me 1 minute. Yes. I have done ask to unmute. Please unmute Mohan.
Yeah, okay, bro. Okay.
Okay.
Which tool you use it for keyboard volume search? I use it keyboard everywhere, bro. I purchased it for $10. Object.
सुमित भाई क्या क्वेश्चन था आपका? Hemant bhai, he has directly approached the website who is ranking behind that particular keyword. Directly he has emailed them, right?
Raja Dilbar Khan. Can a complete newbie get same type of results? Yeah, sure, bro.
Yes, you
Follow
have to.
Ablash, bro, videos. What he told before videos. Don't miss any video, bro. Every video is important. He told so much of information. Actually, no one give that information.
Thanks, Mohan. Really, thank you. You got success. You got result. That is the only thing for me, brother.
Bro, if I success, Ablash will also success. His class is also success. Simple.
Ram bhai,
How exactly?
no. It is nothing like that, Ram bhai. Okay, it's not for sponsored post, but you will get penalty if you sell more and more sponsored post links. Okay,
Bro,
there
actually
is a penalty
penalizing
for
is
that.
different ways, bro. Not for only
Yeah.
sponsor posts.
Sumit bhai asking what was the topic of the guest post related to site's niche or article?
Yeah, it's related to site, bro. Not about niche.
Okay. Total RD 300, Hemant bhai.
Is link whisper will show automatically interlinking suggestions? Yes, Teja, bro.
But you
It
have to
show,
see
but
there.
you don't.
Yeah, is it
You don't
relevant?
give.
No, is
You
it
don't
really
give
relevant?
all links. It's
Yeah,
really relevant, bro.
don't
But
just simply click all the links. No, nothing like
yeah,
that.
please check every link what you give.
Yes.
You targeted minimum $5 CPC. Actually, I am not targeted, bro. I am researching keywords. I found that keyword $5 keyword. Not all keywords $5. No. Some keywords $3, $2, $1 also. But actually, Google what is showing in $1, $2. In reality, is that is double. I got.
Okay. And
I
Anil
got.
brother, as I told before, also relevancy, topical authority, and if you are creating something very relevant, very good, related to your topic, then you will get something very good
Share
CPC.
Pandey, bro. Can you share your content better? No, sorry, bro. I can't
Yeah,
share.
it's personal. It's his personal.
Actually, I am trying that
भाई
my
so many
writers
questions
also.
आ रहे हैं आप पूछ लीजिए.
Expert domain working this method. Don't do on if you do expert domain, depend on domain, bro. So many things. Expert domain metrics depend on
Yeah. How do you assure
monthly
content
earning of
quality?
that website. Minimum earnings, average earnings is $1,600. How do you assure content quality? I am check every article on Copy Escape premium premium website, bro. Bala created backlink for particular post or homepage. Both, bro. I build profiles per homepage, created forum comments and etc for particular posts. Abhijit, average article word count 800 to 1000 words. Vaibhav, or train your writers. Yeah, I'm trying my writers, bro. Naim Hashmi, $600 average earning per month. No, $1,600.
Yeah, 1.6. Teja
Yeah, Teja,
brother.
bro. Link Whisper plugin show automatic suggestions, but you don't check all. Only give relevant. Some some cat some not relevant also they're showing in link Whisper plug showing. So don't give all. Which country better high CPC? No, UK and US, bro. Ravinder Singh, for content writing only professional writer if possible. No, bro. You train your writers or go with professional writers.
What if writer dumps you after training period ends? Mohan?
Actually, the writers is my relatives, bro.
Happy
They're
to
my
hear.
sister-in-laws, like that. So no problem.
अरे भाई आप
How
फिर से
much
टाइप कीजिए ऊपर नहीं
CTR
देख सकते
you
हो.
are getting? I'm getting five CTR, bro, every day.
Great, great,
Up
great.
up to 10.
Ads
How exactly?
placement, Mohan.
Ads placement is first a before main before content one link ad, after first paragraph triangle 250 300 rectangle ad, after third paragraph after fourth paragraph link ad again, after sixth paragraph mm, native, that means which type of that I forgot ad name, its name. The mainly I use link ads, bro, and one rectangle ad and another native, that ad name I forgot actually.
Okay,
So
no
many
issue, no
days
issue.
I
How much CTR you are getting while learning that much?
5 to 10, 5 to 10,
Okay.
average 5.
Jagdish asking your inspired website. How did you get thought to website build like that? It's keyword research, Jagdish brother. It's
after
nothing like
after
copying others.
after batch one videos, I think to start and work on keywords only. I started this website and succeeded after in 1 year, 1.5 year. One actually 6 to 7 months, no result. After 7 months, started rankings.
That's nice.
What was your content writing strategy, bro? Really no strategy, bro. They are writing and publishing and I will do optimization on page. There is no strategy.
Harry bhai, let me answer. How exactly you choose the keyword? This is how exactly you choose the keyword. You
I
also
don't
know the
know
stuff, right?
that keyword will be success or not. I'm start writing only.
Yes,
How
seen
much
the
minimum
Google
volume you
Trends.
target? Yeah,
AdSense
Google
was the
Trends is
primary
very important.
monetization methods. His VPN selling primary methods, and
AdSense is
yeah,
my
these
primary.
both the things.
VPN, I don't know. I don't think VPN will be also I will get in I used Express VPN affiliate. I will get each cell 36 USD.
Okay, great.
What is your future plans, Devesh? I already started nearly 6 website after this year. What
Okay,
was
any
your
more
content writing
questions?
strategy? Govind, bro, no strategy, bro. Really, I'm telling. Nothing, no strategy. Only interlinking and I used all keywords. What other competitors are ranking? I used all keywords in article. If main keyword having 3K volume, you can have 1K volume. Main keyword, bro. Main keyword I will target. And relevant keyword I am written in article. What is your strategy of Whisper? It actually link Whisper plugin I imagine in Climax. And before that, I am given like after post more related posts and given all interlinks. After this, just 10 to 15 days back, Ablash bro and the Ablash bro given suggestion to use Link Whisper plugin, and he told me interlinking methods in Zoom video session. After that, I try to implementation traffic also up in 2 days. Length of your main post, bro, it is not nano niche, no main post.
Yeah.
All post I'm written 800,000 words compulsory. Abhijit, now that link ads are rendering, what do you suggest? Because most people are income. Yeah, that's why, bro, I am sold out. I'm sold that website. Abhijit, bro. Actually, he asked Abhilash, bro. Bro, you told that answer.
Length of your main post, every Abdul Bhai 800 1000 minimum word count he was maintaining. Okay. Okay, guys, all I think all in the questions is done now.
You use tricks to enable link ads. No tricks, bro. How you use tricks for Google? Google is not kid. Teja, bro, you know everything. Why are you asking these tricks?
Okay, no more questions. Okay, fine. Everything is fine, right? I hope you have
Yeah.
understood some of the important things, and
If any
it
doubts,
was
ask
really
in group.
great.
I will help. I will tell you or contact me.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, everyone. Yeah, it was Mohan. It was really very good. Thank you for you. Keep
Actually, I
going.
don't do that and this type of case studies before and ever, because only for Abhilash, bro, I am given
No, no,
this
it
video
was
session
something
also.
really, really very good, bro. I really want the whole story, whole journey should we should really understand, man. How
Yeah.
we have to flip, what are the
Yes.
things coming, what are the issues happening. It is really good thing. Okay, it is this is the only reason I have asked you.
Totally 76 people in live this video session now. Friends, I'm telling everyone only, please don't leave any website before it will be succeed after 1 year, after 1.5 year, not a matter. Do your work. Don't disappoint. Be patient in every blogger now, only patience. Be patient and do your work and build backlinks. Definitely any day your website will be ranked, sure. If that website not will be ranked, start another website. Consistency is the
Yeah,
main, really.
definitely.
Yeah, Teja, it's really consistency is main. I am working in this blog. Actually, in 2017 I started my journey. uh, Actually, I do a job for 5,000 rupees per month in Hyderabad. uh,
Okay.
mm, just 1.5 year, I learned everything, and I quit my job, started one blogging in 2018 August. Till now, no problem for me. Every month I'm getting revenue. That's the
Amazing,
main
brother.
key.
You are really
Consistency.
amazing.
Consistency.
Yeah,
I purchased a MacBook Pro. I purchased AC, bikes, everything only blogging, bro.
great. It's
Blogging is my god, really. So
awesome.
don't leave blogging. Try to work. Don't stop your work and don't lose your confidence. This is my message to everyone.
Thank you, Mohan. Thank you so much, and thanks everyone for joining this. Okay, thank you everyone. Heman Bhai, he watched this video recorded. He has explained everything about the backlinks from where all the stuff. So
Yeah,
please watch.
I build backlinks my own, bro. No, I
Yeah,
am not given to anyone.
that's
Don't
awesome.
give outsource work, bro. They will do just for money, not
Yeah,
for
no one is doing
your
perfect
website.
work. They are just creating
Yeah,
here and there, and
they are
that will
creating
really
spammy
hurt
links.
your
That
website.
is no use. Please take some time and build backlinks your own. Don't give others. And your website also keywords also leak to others. It's not good. It's not good method.
Okay, okay, guys, it's good time. See you.
Thank you
Thank you,
all.
everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.